Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Mint alternatives using secure login, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the Mint alternative you want to use for financial tracking. Visit the official website or download the app from a reliable source. Open the application or website once it is installed. Look for the option to create a new account or sign in. Select the option to sign in. Enter your email address associated with your account. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. If prompted, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for the option to link your bank accounts. Click on the Add Account or Link Account button. Choose your bank from the list of available institutions. Enter your online banking credentials as prompted. Ensure that the website is secure by checking for HTTPS in the URL. Follow any additional security prompts provided by your bank. You may need to answer security questions for verification. Once verified, the application will now begin syncing your financial data. Review connected accounts to ensure everything is set up correctly. Adjust any settings as necessary, such as budget preferences or notifications. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand your financial overview. Explore the features and tools available in your new app. Keep your login information secure and avoid sharing it. Regularly update your password to maintain security. Stay informed about any updates to the app for enhanced features or security improvements. Log out after your session, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.